Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image by Imaging 4 Ultra. This time, nice image. Yeah, okay. Enhanced this image with Korea, then expand to this size with Adobe Photoshop. The image is this. Nice. Maybe we can find out the story of this image, huh? Okay, I made line drawing type image with fine edges on Adobe Photoshop. Then I changed blend mode to luminosity, opacity 50%, add over this enhanced base image. Get this half-tone image. Then I duplicate base image, change blend mode to color, max opacity, add over this half-tone image. Get very subtle, soft color. Okay. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then change blend mode to overlay. Okay. Now lighten image. Color's nice. From this to this. Okay, I'm going to use this better image of the model from this image, yeah? So make group 4 layers. Then to make 1 layer better image, I'm going to duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Alright, we got the 1 layer better image. Now turn off this. Then in this group, make base image, light image. So just duplicate line drawing type image. That's nice. Okay, over this base image, I'm gonna add model's image from this better layer. Okay, add mask. Invert this mask. Now open this with airbrushing to soft brush. Change color to white. Max opacity and about this size. Alright. Okay. How about this? That's all. Now duplicate this better layer. Then bottom layer, delete this mask. Now change blend mode to nice color. Okay, keep it linear burn. I'm gonna add white layer over this. Add layer, then fill this layer with white. Okay, then change this layer to clipping mask. Okay. Then now I'm going to paint on this clipping layer. Yeah, dark colors from this rain. Alright, pick some, change brush to drawing to evolve. Okay, paint this autumn leaves. Okay, max opacity. Okay, about this color. Okay, go from this touch. Alright, now I'm gonna smudge these paint colors. Okay, change tool to smudge tool. Texture is same, drawing to evolve. Okay. Right, nicely blending. we can tone down these colors so easy. Then blending with other colors, that's good. So nice textures, yeah, in this area. Now, a little more yellowish. Again, smudge tool to blend in. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna blend in. Open this mask. Models better image, yeah? Again, use smudge tool. Same evolve texture. Open up this. Okay, I wanna add. Open this mask and same time, I wanna add this dark colors on coat. So yeah, use this clipping layer as well. Okay, change to smudge tool. Okay. Alright. Now I want to add white border over this better layer, under this better image of the model, in between this. Okay, add over this clipping layer. Wait a minute, maybe, okay, that's interesting. I'm gonna duplicate this clipping layer, add white layer, same time, yeah, duplicate, then upper layer, change back to normal blend, normal layer, no clipping mask. Okay, then add mask on this white layer. Okay, this is normal blend mode, no clipping layer. Add mask. Then I'm gonna mask to show this. Okay, brushes same, evolve, change color to black. Go from half tone, little bit big size, yeah. Now. Okay, now I'm gonna fix this paint. Maybe I wonder if I add mask to cover this. Let me check. Add mask. Then mask this clipping layer. That's kind of interesting. That's interesting, huh? Okay, I go this mask. Fix this. Same time, this says paint. Okay, let me smash this. Okay, I think pretty interesting, these masks. Yeah, that's it. This is the first time adding mask over this clipping layer like this. Okay, from this enhanced base image, add line drawing type image, luminosity blend mode, double, add color blend mode, add overlay blend mode. Okay, over this base image, add models better image with mask, only for upper body. Okay, then blend mode, linear burn, dark colors, add white clipping layer, painting on with mask. That shows so much dark, but I add this mask later. This is the first expression, yeah? Then, before I add layer mask over this, add white border with mask. Then, add mask over this clipping layer. Shows dark area. That's very interesting. So, control with these masks, especially this last mask, shows so much dark. Yeah, I gotta study about this mask. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. And thank you.